What if I told you that the toughest machines of the future won't just race on roads? They'll survive deserts, climb glaciers, and maybe even explore Mars. Germany, the country of Autobahns and luxury sedans, has quietly been designing off-road monsters that look more like spacecraft than SUVs. Some are concepts, some are prototypes, and a few are already rolling out of factories. These are not your average trucks. These are visions of survival, adventure, and tomorrow's technology. Stay tuned, because number one is something so radical. It could change how we think of vehicles forever. Germany has always been the home of precision engineering, but when their designers and engineers step away from the highways, what they create is truly extraordinary. Off-road vehicles born in Germany often look like they've been pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Today we'll explore 10 German off-road vehicles that look like they came from the future. Machines that combine electric power, artificial intelligence, military toughness, and jaw-dropping design. Number 10. Mercedes-Benz Ener-G-Force, 2012. The Ener-G-Force was Mercedes' futuristic answer to the question, what will police SUVs look like in the year 2025? It was first revealed at the Los Angeles Design Challenge, and it was less of a car and more of a survival machine. On its roof sat hydro-tech converters, futuristic pods designed to collect rainwater, purify it, and convert it into hydrogen fuel, giving the vehicle a range of nearly 500 miles. Its tires were even more futuristic, massive wheels with adaptive treads that could reshape themselves for sand, snow, or rocks. With its wide arches, roof-mounted sensors, and glowing LED strips, the Ener-G-Force looked like a G-Wagon designed for the apocalypse. It wasn't just an SUV, it was a vision of how humans could survive and patrol in a climate-challenged future. Number 9. Audi AI Trail Quattro, 2019. In 2019, Audi unveiled a concept that stunned the automotive world, the AI Trail Quattro. It looked less like a car and more like a lunar rover designed for astronauts. Its most futuristic feature was the replacement of headlights with flying drones. Instead of traditional lamps, 5 autonomous drones could detach from the car, hover ahead, and light up the path in dark forests or rocky trails. The cabin itself felt like sitting in a glass bubble with panoramic 360-degree visibility that made you feel connected to nature around you. Standing on enormous 22-inch wheels with a staggering 13 inches of ground clearance, it could float over rocks and mud like nothing else. Add to that a 300-mile electric range, and you had a machine that was not only beautiful, but one that reimagined off-road exploration as a mix of autonomy, drones, and futuristic adventure. Number 8. Volkswagen ID Buggy, 2019. Volkswagen went retro-futuristic with the ID. Buggy, a modern reinterpretation of the classic 1960s Dune buggy. At first glance, it looked like pure fun. No doors, no roof, just open-air adventure. But under the playful design lay Volkswagen's modular electric platform, proving that off-road freedom could be clean, efficient, and modern. The ID Buggy was designed to be modular, meaning its panels and body shapes could be customized or even replaced entirely. Its silent electric drivetrain, paired with chunky off-road tires, made it perfect for beaches, deserts, or jungles. This was VW's way of showing that the future of off-roading doesn't need roaring engines or fuel-guzzling trucks. Instead, it could be minimalist, customizable, and emission-free, proving that the thrill of adventure could go hand in hand with futuristic technology. Number 7. BMW Gina off-road concept. Speculative evolution. Back in 2008, BMW unveiled a concept that was unlike anything ever seen before. The Gina. Instead of steel or carbon fiber, it had a flexible fabric skin stretched over a moving skeleton. It could change shape like muscles under skin, morphing its body to adapt to different conditions. Now, imagine this concept applied to off-road terrain. A Gina-inspired off-roader could raise its suspension to clear rocks, stretch its arches to adapt to muddy terrain, or flex its entire body like a living creature. It wouldn't just be a car, it would feel alive, constantly reshaping itself depending on the environment. While speculative, this vision shows how German engineers think beyond metal and mechanics, imagining vehicles that blur the line between biology and technology. Number 6. Mercedes-Benz EQG 2021 prototype. The G-Class has always been the king of German off-roaders, and in 2021 Mercedes-Benz revealed its electric rebirth, the EQG. At first glance, it looks like a G-Wagon, with the same boxy silhouette and commanding presence. But beneath the surface lies something radically different. 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel. This setup allows the EQG to perform tank turns, spinning in place like a tracked vehicle, a move no traditional off-roader could perform. The instant torque from electric power means it can climb steep trails and rocky paths with ease. Its design keeps the heritage alive, but its glowing accents and futuristic lighting show it's a machine built for the electric age. With the EQG, Mercedes proved that even legends can evolve, keeping their toughness, but shedding emissions in favor of a futuristic, zero-emission future. Number 5. Audi ActiveSphere Concept, 2023. In 2023, Audi revealed something that was more than a car. It was a shape-shifting transformer. The ActiveSphere could switch between being a luxurious SUV and a rugged pickup truck. With the press of a button, its rear section transformed into an open flatbed, ready to carry bikes, surfboards, or camping gear. Inside, it was even more futuristic. Instead of normal screens, passengers wore augmented reality glasses that projected maps, terrain data, and vehicle stats directly into their field of view. It blurred the line between digital and physical, turning the car into a living dashboard. Combined with Audi's electric Quattro system and adaptive suspension, it became the ultimate adventure machine for people who live for both city style and off-road wilderness. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz Zetros Future Utility Concept. The Zetros has long been a giant of military and expedition vehicles, but its futuristic evolution could take it even further. Engineers imagine an autonomous Zetros capable of driving itself through remote war zones, deserts, or disaster areas, guided by artificial intelligence. Instead of being just a truck, it could become a mobile base, carrying modular pods that transform it into a hospital, command center, or even a survival habitat. With hydrogen-electric hybrid systems powering its massive frame, it could operate silently and efficiently while carrying enormous payloads. It's not just a machine, it's a mothership for survival, a vehicle built not for roads, but for the most extreme conditions humanity may face in the future. Number 3. Audi Crosslane Future Off-Roader. Audi once teased the Crosslane as a hybrid crossover concept, but its futuristic vision went beyond the urban streets. Imagine an evolved Crosslane built for rugged environments, lightweight composites of carbon fiber and aluminum making it both strong and efficient, paired with hybrid or fully electric powertrains for flexibility. Designers even suggested that future versions could include drone support, with aerial scouts flying ahead to map terrain or provide safety in dangerous environments. This wasn't just a crossover. It was a preview of how German engineering could blend urban luxury with extreme off-road survival capability. Number 2. Porsche Mission R Off-Road Adaptation. When Porsche revealed the Mission R, it was intended as an electric race car. But imagine that DNA adapted for off-road endurance racing. With over 1,000 horsepower and instant torque delivery, the Mission R could be transformed into the ultimate Dakar beast. Add a rally suspension, reinforced carbon body panels, and Porsche's trademark roll cage interiors, and suddenly you have a luxury off-road racer capable of surviving brutal punishment. It would combine Porsche's racing heritage with futuristic electric speed, making it a supercar not for highways, but for deserts, mountains, and uncharted terrain. The Mission R off-road concept would be the dream vehicle for those who want both extreme performance and futuristic design. Number 1. Volkswagen DARPA Explorer Concept Speculative Future. Finally, at number 1, we reach the wildest and most radical vision, the Volkswagen DARPA Explorer. Though never officially confirmed, Rumors and design studies suggest a collaboration with military research to create a multi-mode exploration vehicle. This futuristic beast would not only drive, but could swim across rivers, deploy drone modules, and even glide short distances with drone-assisted propulsion. Its AI-driven systems would allow it to make decisions autonomously, adapting to hostile terrain without human input. Designed for disaster relief, exploration, and possibly even planetary colonization, it represents the farthest leap into the future of off-road mobility. This isn't just a car. It's a transformer built to survive anywhere, whether on Earth or on Mars. From drone-guided Audis to hydrogen-powered G-Wagons, these machines prove one thing. The future of German engineering isn't just about speed or luxury. It's about survival, exploration, and innovation, built for deserts, glaciers, jungles, and maybe even distant planets. These vehicles remind us that the roads of tomorrow won't be highways. They will be wilderness, and maybe even worlds we haven't yet stepped on. And when that future comes, these machines will already be waiting.